Welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change a passcode in Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. First of all, launch and open Unstoppable Crypto Wallet application on your device and log in using your credentials. Now go to the Settings tab, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, find the Security option and click on it. Here you can see Edit Passcode button. Click on it and enter your current passcode. After that, you need to enter your new passcode on this field and confirm it by typing it again. Now close and reopen the application. Here, type in the new password. As you can see that you have been logged in using your new passcode. So that is how you can change your passcode in Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.